Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video about the Lionel icing station. Now, there's many forms of these. There are post-war versions and there are more modern versions. The modern versions have like this DC kind of like motor gearbox in here. And it just kind of cycles back and forth. It doesn't, it just uses a motor, goes back and forth. And this one's pretty cool. It's a red icing station with a cabin shed and green roof. And you can see a little man here is blue with a gray shovel or ice shovel. I don't know. And I got this one brand new. This one, to be exact, is the 612847 icing station. This is pretty solid. When you get it brand new, it should have a bag, should have, I don't know, I'd say about 5 or 6 ice cubes. I believe that's what I had in mine. Then you also got like a very standard, very standard operating button. Looks like this. Nothing too special about that. So I'd advise probably upgrading to a 90 button or anything similar to that. Just kind of have better quality action here. So yeah, how this works is you just kind of like lift this lever here and they'll spill down, and then just operate it, and then you'll need to buy the ice car separately. These don't come with the ice station, to be clear with that. And I don't believe there's any specific ice car that goes with any specific ice station. There's all different kinds Lionel makes. I think this is one of the more popular ones, the Lionel Cola car. So basically how it works is this little plate here just pushes in and out, and then it'll push this little lever here and push the ice down into the car there. So basic mechanisms, but very cool action. So let's bring it around and test it out. So when you're lining this up, it has to be perfect, honestly. Because if it's not, you're gonna get very frustrated, because I've done this myself. It doesn't line up right, and the ice cubes just fly everywhere. They don't go in the car, they get jammed and stuff, and that's not fun for anyone. You'll go down here and you have to go like get your fingers all jammed in there and stuff. So make sure that this metal plate is lined up just like, I mean, this is okay right here, but if it's like way off, you're not gonna have an enjoyable time with that action. So just line it up nice before you start operating it. I can eyeball it pretty well from back here. That's like, I don't know, I'd say like 5 feet away. But yeah, so let's get it operating here. So turn your voltage all the way up, and then I'll zoom in here so you can see. And I'll shovel, the guy will shovel ice cubes straight into the boxcar. And then off you are. Now, with these motorized ones, which is the newer ones, the guy here, when you're putting it back, I'd probably just, you're reversing the guy back in before you pull out. Just bring him all the way back, because when you go to load this, you'll have, this is what will happen. You'll get caught there. I guess that could work, but it's not good for the shovel. It'll bend it over time. So be careful with that, please. And just bring it back all the way. And there we go, voila. Now, one important thing I'll have to mention, when you get these brand new, or even if they've been used, people are getting rid of them because they say, oh, they don't work or something. False. I mean, they don't work, because when I got this guy, I had that problem that a lot of people, I should say, have had with these motorized icing stations. So basically what that problem is this guy here, the whole motor mechanism, like it's the gearbox, there's one of the teeth is off inside of there, so it won't bring this guy all the way back, and his shovel will start off like here or something, or like way out here. That's not good because he won't actually be able to like shovel the ice into the car. He'll just kind of not do anything. He'll just go over top of the ice and won't push all the way. So you got to take it apart a few times. Just be careful, don't move the gearbox too much when you're doing this because you don't want to make it worse. But just move the gear a little bit on the inside of that DC gearbox, just a hair or so, and it should be fine. That's what I had to do with mine. It works like a gem now. And I'm sure that there's videos online somewhere that you can find to fix these problems, or just look at like, I don't know, like Reddit posts or Google posts or something, you know. Problem a lot of people have had. Alright, now, how to get the ice cubes out of the boxcar. So let me flip this guy around so it's easier for you guys to see here. Alright, it's not inside here. The whole mechanism is like right here at this door and this little door right here. Now if you have big fingers like me, it's a pain to try and open this door, like slips and stuff. I don't know, figure it out. But you just pull the door down, boom, here's the ice. Just take it out. And here comes the pain. With one finger, it's hard to do. Just take the ice out. There, and I only use 5 ice blocks because I've also learned if you use more than 5 ice cubes for just one of these cars only, it like jams up the mechanism in here and you can't open the door. It like jams the door shut. So I'd advise only using 5. I have plenty of ice cubes, so when I'm ready for the next one, I just kind of like get it prepared and just let them slide right down and get prepared for the next load up. And then, simple enough, just load this guy here. And you're all set. So that's it, guys. So if you like this video, please leave a like. For more notifications, tap the bell icon. For more videos, please subscribe. See ya.